Just bought a new gas can. Problem is, they suck. These stupid new gas spouts are awful. There's no vent. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna have a little arts and crafts today. You're gonna need a little eyelet. They usually have these for like to lock doors. They have like the little hook that latches into that. Just need the eyelet. A little magnet, some glue, knife, Sharpie, like an 1/8 inch drill bit, and like a 3/8 drill bit. First thing, we're going to take the stupid cap off, and you got these safety push latches that get stuck. Inside here is like the transportation cap to keep it from leaking. We'll save that. As you can see, inside there it's closed. There's an O-ring, and when you press this button and push in, it opens that, bypasses it, and then you have flow. I don't like it. Go ahead and mark where you would want your vent hole. Take your 1/8 inch drill bit. And just slowly drill that. I like it a little undersized, so then when I put the eyelet in, it makes its own threads, and then they're good for forever, basically, as long as you don't put it in there crooked. So that's going to be your vent. Next step is, you don't have to do this. Take a small magnet, drop of this E6000 glue seems to work pretty good on almost any surface, so that's what I'm going to go with. And just put it a little bit out of the way. So like right there. And the idea behind that is just so you don't lose this eyelet. You pull that off. When you're ready to fuel, you just stick it on there. Don't need that, but I like losing stuff, so that's why I like that option. Next up is this stupid latch mechanism. I'm just going to take my razor knife and just cut that off. Junk. There, much better. Then you're going to want to take the filler neck. Probably should use a vise, but I'm too lazy to go over there. Take your 3/8 drill bit. And just ream that out. Then blow it down with compressed air. And that's pretty much it. Now that you've drilled this out and blown it clean, you can reinstall it with your threads. You don't have the stupid latch getting in your way here. Those little safety things. And then when you're ready to pour gas, all you need to do is unscrew your little eyelet here, stick it to your magnet, and you're ready to pour gas. And when you're done pouring gas, you just take it off, pop your little cap back in there, which still seals perfectly fine because you didn't affect that seal at all. Screw this baby back on. Make sure your eyelet's tight. And there you have it, a sealed gas can.